Hey everybody, this is Isaiah Coberly, New Pencil Incorporated. I'm here to give you a little bit of an update of what's going on real quick. I got to get back to work, so I'm going to make it fast. What we're looking at here is test pilot number 1, and this one's gone all the way through the process. It did an okay job. It did a really good job. As you can see, there's some things I've changed about it. For instance, I have found a good location for the tag. At least I feel it's a good location for the tag. Everything seems to be fitting really well. I am unimpressed with the quality of my bends, so I used a handbrake to bend this version, and I thought I could develop a system using a handbrake to actually make these, but it's not going to work out. So I got this material right over here. This is called phenolic. It's a paper resin product, and it's about as close as wood comes to steel. It's very heavy, very dense, and what I can do is actually cut on a CNC machine a perfect replica of the Ativ tablet, and then I can actually use a system of stacking these boards together to very precisely bend the material. So I'm going to be doing that today. I'll have one ready to hopefully send test pilot through this phase successfully. This is test pilot 2. And this one's blue with a white interior, so far unscathed. You can see I've added some updates to this one as well, so I'm actually going with a thicker piece of elastic here for the hand strap, which seems to be working excellent. Also, you'll notice on test pilot 1 here I implemented my little covers for the snaps, so when it closes to the screen there's no metal contact whatsoever. And I've also messed around with some of the elastic abilities, and I'm finding the right lengths there for the elastic so that this whole situation works as predicted. Forgive the sound, I'm actually in Tacoma at a place called Fab Lab Tacoma. This is a place where I carry a membership. I was happy to see that they actually let me make use of their laser. And we have our three-dimensional printer section right over here. So we have a couple different versions, including an expensive guy right here. This is called the Mojo. It costs about $20 to print a square inch on that, so I have to watch. It's about to get noisy here, so I'm going to go out. Oh, sorry. And this is the press brake where I demolished test pilot number 1. I spent about 3 hours trying to bend that right, and I'm unimpressed with the results. There's Alex. This is a ShopBot, and that's what I'm going to be cutting the molds for test pilot number 2 to go on. Hopefully I'll be victorious later tonight when I get done. So anyway, I got to get back to work. Wish me luck, guys. Thanks.